Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are here at Renishaw's newly inaugurated tech center, and I'm here with Mr. Rahul, who is going to tell us how important is this tech center and how excited he is. Thank you, sir, for your time.
First of all, thank you so much, Ashutosh and Srushti, for joining us today
Thank you, sir.
for one of the important events for Renishaw here in Bangalore. This event, we have been planning it from quite a long time. It's a very strategic move for all of us to be in the heart of the manufacturing hub in Bangalore. Uh, we have inaugurated our technology center just now in the presence of who's who of the industry. And this occasion was graced by all the esteemed dignitaries from the manufacturing fraternity. And we're very delighted to have them here. So, it's really a proud moment for all of us here at Renishaw that now we will be able to demonstrate our innovations to them very close to their offices, very close to their factories. All our customers can come here and experience our latest innovations live. And I think that is what's needed today, to show what we can do for them. So
Exactly. I can see the excitement. A lot of your Bangalore team people were asking. This is like a dream come true, right? And they were waiting for this tech center for quite a long time, right? And this particular center is in heart of Bangalore, in Peenya industrial area, which is one of the biggest in Asia, right? And it's also a machine tool hub of India, right? In 15 minutes distance, all these machine tools are here, right? So the importance of this location is is there, right?
yeah, rightly said, Ashutosh. It is in heart of this industrial estate, and as I said, that it was really very important for us to be closer to our customers, to meet them on regular basis, and also to invite them to our facilities and to live demonstrate what we can do for them. So yeah, it's really a big thing for us, which has happened today. Our team in Bangalore and Pune have worked for this occasion from so many months, day and night they have spent here to build up this facility and to give it this grand look. And I think all of the esteemed dignitaries who attended today's function have appreciated the way we are come up, more closer to them.
Definitely. And I was talking to Renishaw senior leadership also, and they are saying that this is a very big milestone in Renishaw India journey, and it is going to pave a really high growth path for Renishaw India in future, because Bangalore is becoming a big hub of manufacturing in India, and right now a lot of new applications are happening here: aerospace, electronics, manufacturing, automobile is also there. So, for the technology standpoint, this is a very big milestone.
Yeah, truly. We have the solutions for all the sectors, the aerospace, the EV, the electronics and automotive. And I think Bangalore is a hub for machine tool. I think all the machine tool builders are our partners and customers. And Renishaw India, this has been trying to, serve them more better, more closer. This is our head office for sales and marketing, and that makes us, that makes it very important that we have a big presence field. And I think all over the India, if you see, we have office in Pune and a factory and a technology center in Pune. This is another addition and technology center. We also have a demo centers in Vadodara and New Delhi. So yeah, now we have widespread and we are covering the needs of our customers.
Great. I think it was a very successful event, and a lot of effort has gone behind this event to make it very successful, right? All the industry captains were present here. So, this congratulations to you. It was an amazing event.
Thank you, Ashutosh. The credit goes to all my team here in Bangalore and my marketing team. This event have been thought through, and we worked on it day and night for last couple of months. And what made it special was the presence of all the esteemed dignitaries from the manufacturing fraternity. I personally, for me, it was an honor to be amongst the industry's who's who, learning from them, listening to them. Mr. Ramdas P, Managing Director of S Manufacturing Systems, who were our chief guests for today. Mr. William Lee, CEO Renishaw PLC, he flew from United Kingdom to grace this occasion. Mr. Andy Battery, our President APAC, he flew from Hong Kong specially for this event. Mr. Paul Gallagher, who's the Vice President and Managing Director of Asia Pacific. He lives in Singapore. He also flew specially for this event. And it made it really special because of the presence of all our esteemed dignitaries, all the CEOs and MDs of the machine tool companies with whom we work very closely. So thank you, Ashutosh, once again for joining us today. It's really a great day for us. Thank you.
And I also wanted to know, what are your plans for MTEX?
Yeah, MTEX is coming up after 4 years, and I think we are very excited to be in the exhibition ground again. We are looking forward to see our customers face to face, whom we have not met so far due to the pandemic. Of course, things have opened up and we've been traveling, but then it's always a great pleasure to meet all our customers and all their staff and technicians and engineers to host at our booth. We've been demonstrating and launching few of our technologies which we will reveal at the Intex on the day first. And I'm sure you're joining us there for the Intex as well. And looking forward to a really grand exhibition which is coming up from 19th to 25th. We are in Hall 3A, booth B103. So I invite all our customers to join us there from 19th till 25th. We'll be very happy to host you and show you what we got for you, the latest innovations which we got for you. So thank you, Ashutosh, once again for joining us here. And I'll see you soon at the Intex. Thank you.
Definitely. Thank you. Thanks a lot.